In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show edit history. If you want to see the changes that have been made in an entire spreadsheet, Google Sheets makes that very easy. This is especially helpful when you're collaborating with other people, reviewing updates, or trying to recover an earlier version of your work. The edit history, also called version history, lets you look back at previous saves and understand how the spreadsheet has changed over time. To get started, open the spreadsheet where you want to view the full edit history. Once you're inside the file, look at the top menu bar and click File. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing the spreadsheet. From there, move your cursor to Version History. This will open a side menu with additional choices. Next, click See Version History. As soon as you do that, a panel will open, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel shows earlier versions of the spreadsheet, often organized by date and time. If the file has been edited by multiple people, you may also see color-coded changes, which can make it easier to understand who updated what. T here is also a keyboard shortcut you can use if you want to open this view more quickly. Instead of going through the menu, simply press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and H at the same time. This will take you directly to the version history for the entire spreadsheet. Once the version history is open, you can click through the listed versions to preview what the spreadsheet looked like at different points in time. This can be useful if something was deleted, changed by mistake, or if you just want to compare the current sheet with an older version. Take your time reviewing the entries so you can identify the exact version you need. One helpful tip is to make sure you're looking at the history for the entire spreadsheet, not just focusing on one individual cell or one sheet tab. The option we used here shows a broader history of the whole file, which is ideal when you want a complete picture of edits. And that's it. To show edit history for the entire spreadsheet, go to File, then Version History, and then See Version History, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H. Once you know where to find it, this becomes a very useful tool for tracking changes and managing your spreadsheet with confidence.